Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women caplet designs. Different style, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, then you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designer as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman caplet designs. So dear friends, top trendy and most amazing collection. You can visit my channel and you can see other crochet material like crochet woman cap design, crochet woman poncho design, crochet woman skirts, bodycon, scarf design, and crochet women long dresses, short dresses, outfits also. So other like crochet baby material, crochet baby frock design, crochet baby romper design, crochet baby sandal design, and crochet jewelry like crochet anklet design, crochet necklace, and crochet bracelet design also. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the comment section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video, and also subscribe my channel. When you subscribe, you will get all the notification of my latest uploading video. Dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon.